this, my 2021 KTM 690 SMCR versus that, a 2003 Honda CRF450R. And we're gonna compete with these two today at a kart track.
I'm one of them winning. I'm one of them winning. Maximum bit. I'm one of them winning.
Three freaking gears. Broken it in! Oh my god!
And I'm not talking just any old kart track, like your family fun zone kart track or even K1 speed. I'm talking about a professional kart track where you're gonna find people who come out and this is a dedicated sport to them. It's kind of like finding a young Lewis Hamilton out here who now races in Formula One. I mean, look at these guys. They absolutely rip out here.
I'm one of them winning. I'm shooting my shot and I'm already grinning. You know that I'm one of them, one of you sending. You know you've been cutting, you know I'm ascending. I'm one of them winning.
So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get suited up, and then we're actually gonna go out and ride. I'm gonna start with the KTM here because I know it. I need to know the track a little bit before I really kind of rip this thing. Let's get dressed.
All right, so here we go. First off, this is the craziest, coolest shit ever. So he's just gonna show me the lines here. A little too tight on the inside. God damn, this dude just backing it in. Holy shit. This is up here. Hard right. To the left. Back in the back corner. We can get some grip. Oh, this front brake though. Dude, I was dodging a wheel as it was coming in. I was like, oh shit. Okay. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Is that tight? That's tight, man. I don't know where the bolts are. It didn't look like any, or the nuts. I don't think anything came. Okay. Just so you know. Okay. I'm back to it. Here we go. Horrifyingly tight. Jeez. I am out here looking like a complete and total noob. Oh, it is so good. I need to do so much better. It's just, but it's so much fun. Oh, there he goes. Three freaking gears. Oh my god! Oh my god, the professional. Oh, he makes me look like an old woman. Look at him go. He's gonna get another. He's gonna get another. He's gonna get another. Oh, there he goes. He gets it. Oh. I can watch that dude ride all day! Oh yeah, look at this pit crew here. Oh yeah! Dude! That is a different world. That's a different planet out there. So now it's the Honda's turn. And let's see how this sucker goes. Cause yeah, I think this will be a lot better, but I just don't know. I don't know. This is so much fun. This is crazy. Yeah. God damn, these guys are good. Alright, let's see. Oh, the slower bike makes a huge difference out here. Now we're starting to get it. Now we're starting to get it. I feel like I need to lean more on the front. I don't know. God, this front end is so light though when it's coming in. Oh, that is in there. Okay, come on. Work on the body position. Work on the line. Oh, dude, this is magic. All right, now you're getting it. Come on, baby. This thing's starting to smell like a barn. Woo! Oh, that one felt good. Woo! I sort of backed it in right there. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm nowhere close to as good as I think I am, but it's so much fun. Focus. Focus. Oh, yeah! Oh my goodness! Oh, oh, front end's up. Okay, this is it. You need to take a quick little brake ski. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh my goodness! Goodness! Oh. Oh my god! I hurt all over, dude. That was. Oh. Oh. Alright, I'm going to continue to go out on the Honda because the Honda is just so much better than that. I can't even explain it. Alright, so this was arguably the most fun I've ever had on a motorcycle. Yeah. Honda wins for sure. KTM, no, I can't even ride it here. It's going to be different even going back to regular tracks. I don't even know how I'm going to do that. But let's get everything packed up. I'm tired. Oh my goodness. Oh, today was an absolute blast. Why are there so many flies in here? And holy crap, did I learn so much at this kart track. Let's start things off here really quickly. That KTM, my 690, I don't even want to ride it at the track anymore. I mean, truthfully, like I don't like riding this thing.
Like, I scraped a knee for the first time. I learned how to back it in corners. Like, again, like, I got to ride with some really cool and awesome people. Thank you to all of you who are here today, and you guys know who you are. You are awesome. I appreciate all the help, the tips, and man, can you ride. Goody goodness. Oh, it was so cool watching you rip past me, even though you were ripping past me and made me feel like I don't know what I'm doing. But regardless, it was so cool to kind of pick your brain and understand kind of how this works. So back to the bikes. Yeah, the 690 felt massive. It felt so heavy. It felt slow. It's just, it was not in its element. Like, it just doesn't work here. This Honda, this 2003 Honda CRF450R that I bought for $3 grand in this current state, oh, incredible. Oh my God. It was like the best bike I've ever owned. It was so much fun. It was so light. The throttle, even though it was being weird, I mean, it was awesome. It was like a light switch. The clutch was so heavy and so hard, but my goodness, it was the best. The front brake, holy crap, this thing stopped just as good as the 690. These tires so sticky like freaking gum. Oh, I just can't. I just can't. Moral of the story, buy yourself a track bike. All the fear is out the window. I learned so much more because I wasn't afraid to drop such a beautiful 690. At the same time, this kart track, holy crap, it is twice as demanding, 4 times as demanding as a normal track day. You learn so much so quickly because it's so shorter. You get 100 laps in the time that you would take on a normal size track, on an Autobahn, on a Road America, and you have no time to think. It is on the gas, upshift, downshift, into a corner, out of the, I mean, it is like this. Like, I felt like riding on some of the larger tracks down those straights, I could make a cup of coffee, I could check my watch. Oh, here comes the corner. I can slow down now. Here, I didn't even have time to register what corner I was in, let alone make up my next move. I just had to react. Everything about today was incredible. I learned so much. I advanced so much farther in my motorcycle just skill level and career. I highly suggest that you guys make it out to a kart track if you can, and ride with people who are 20 times as good as you, because that pushes you even more to do better, even more. Whew. It's been a day. I need to start driving home. I'm tired. And I hope I can do this at least 3 or 4 more times before the season ends. I've got a big track weekend coming up, but this was twice as much fun for a quarter of the price. But if you guys have any questions on what kart track riding is like, put them in the comments down below. If you've got experience in your own world of riding kart tracks and doing that, definitely comment down below and let me know how I did, and if you got any tips for me. But other than that, I want you to remember to keep riding.